Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get added after you have accepted request of gift wall on Emo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo HD app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on security and privacy. Then scroll until you find method for adding me. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of gift wall. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can get added after you have accepted request of gift wall on Emo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.